The trial within a trial in the 250 million rand asbestos roofing case resumes in the Free State High Court today for closing arguments. The state and defence have concluded cross-examining the two witnesses. SABC News reporter Makgala Masiteng has the details for us, and she's standing by. Makgala, good morning. So finally, this trial within a trial coming to a conclusion, and we heard last week some of the others, the other accused were not part of this, were basically exempted by the judge in the case from attending. But what did we hear up until this stage?
Well, Sakina, as you indicated, those other accused will then be expected to come back next week, as it is expected that, of course, the trial in the asbestos roof removal case will finally start. But today, what we are expecting is for both the state and the defense to come and present their final arguments on this matter. But of course, we will expect to see that the state will be highlighting the key factors that will, of course, support their case. We know that the state is still maintaining that the extradition of Moradi Cholota, the whole process was done by the book, following all the processes that the state was supposed to follow. Of course, starting from when Moradi Cholota was declared the state witness, and leading to when the state investigators went to the United States to speak to Moradi Cholota. That is on the 22nd and the 23rd of September in 2021. We do know that that conversation have been really the focal point of this trial within a trial, where the state is maintaining that everything was done correctly and lawfully, and the fact that they were able to even read Moradi Cholota her rights, and also gave her the chance to find a legal representation. But of course, we are expecting the defense to also come and highlight the key evidence that came out during the cross-examination of those two state witnesses, where we are expecting the lawyer Moradi Cholota, Advocate Loiso Makapela, to also come and highlight those key factors supporting their case. You would know that they have been, of course, maintaining that Moradi Cholota was not treated fairly during the process of extradition, where they also indicated that she even spent 4 months in prison in the United States due to what they said was misrepresentation of facts from the side of the state. So we are expecting them to also give their final remarks, and of course trying to use this time to convince Judge Philip Lobscha to rule in their favor. Remember, with this trial within a trial, Moradi Cholota is saying that this court does not have jurisdiction to listen to the matter against her, due to the fact that they are claiming that the extradition was unlawful. But we'll also see the representation, of course, of accused state on the matter, which is Makgala. We will also expect them to also make their final arguments on this matter, as you would know that they also joined in this trial within a trial, where they were able to also cross-examine both those witnesses. So we'll see what's going to happen as they wrap up this trial within a trial, and see whether the judge will also be giving that date when he will be able to, of course, deliver that judgment.
Well, thank you so much, Makgala Masiteng. And of course, the trial within a trial coming to a conclusion today. She'll be updating us on those developments throughout.